Looking for the ultimate productivity monitor? Meet the Philips Brilliance 499P9H1, a 49-inch curved super-wide dual QHD LCD display that's perfect for professionals, gamers, and multitaskers. Why choose the Philips Brilliance 499P9H1? This monitor combines cutting-edge features, immersive visuals, and innovative design to elevate your workspace. Whether you're editing videos, crunching data, or gaming, the Philips 499P9H1 provides a seamless experience. Key features of the Philips Brilliance 499P9H1. 1. 49-inch curved super wide screen with a 32.9 aspect ratio. This monitor replaces dual screen setups, providing an expansive view for multitasking without bezels in between. 2. Dual QHD resolution. Enjoy ultra clear visuals with a 5120 x 1440 resolution, delivering sharp, vibrant, and detailed images for professional grade work and entertainment. 3. Pop-up webcam with Windows Hello. The built-in pop-up webcam supports Windows Hello for secure one-touch logins. It also ensures crystal clear video calls for work or personal use. 4. USB-C docking. Reduce cable clutter with USB-C connectivity, which supports fast data transfer, device charging, and video output through a single cable. 5. Exceptional color accuracy. Experience true-to-life colors with HDR technology and 99% sRGB color gamut, making it ideal for creatives and designers. 6. Multi-client KVM switch. Easily switch between two computers connected to the monitor using the built-in KVM switch. Perfect for multitasking pros. For professionals, replace multiple monitors with one seamless screen for enhanced focus and organization. For creatives, work on high-resolution content with precise color accuracy. For gamers, enjoy immersive gaming with the ultra-wide curved display. The Philips Brilliance 499P9H1 is more than just a monitor, it's a productivity powerhouse designed for modern workspaces. Its ergonomic design, pop-up webcam, and cutting-edge technology make it a game changer.